Let's run through the world's largest rivers. 1. Nile 6,650 kilometers, the longest, flowing through northeastern Africa. 2. Amazon 6,400 kilometers, largest by volume, sustaining the Amazon rainforest. 3. Yangtze 6,300 kilometers, Asia's longest, home to the Three Gorges Dam. 4. Mississippi Missouri 6,275 kilometers, North America's main waterway. 5. Yenisei Angara 5,539 kilometers, flowing through Siberia to the Arctic. 6. Yellow River 5,464 kilometers, China's historic cradle of civilization. 7. Ob-Irtish 5,410 kilometers, spanning Russia and Kazakhstan. 8. Paraná 4,880 kilometers, South America's trade route, with Itaipu Dam. 9. Congo 4,700 kilometers, the world's deepest river. 10. Amur 4,444 kilometers,